leave him alone.
Perfectly balanced. As all things fuck! Avengers 4 Thanos goes shopping coming soon.
Go gadget, come sock!
Oh, here he is. Watch out, ladies. Wait, so what are we doing? What?
I don't know.
Lou, where the fuck did this come from? Jeez. Ah!
Something wrong with your Xbox is a top 10 easy quick fix for it.
It's not working anymore!
With the fucking case.
Today's common question of the day. Why have I stopped enjoying life? Remember to post your answers in the comment section. Remember to check out Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Looks good.
What are you doing?
Bunga bunga.
I think it's overheating. I want to kill myself.
Mum said it's my turn on the Xbox. My turn! Bitch!
Ah! Shit over here.
And zoom in slow-mo means he's the target.
Don't put the fires back up. Are you retarded?
Here, I'll
Wait.
use the banger.
Do we actually have a sustainable way of putting this out?
Yeah. Ooh, it's fucking hot.
What?
Oh yeah?
Look at it. Look at what you did.
Say the words, the promised day will never come, and watch it, it'll split in one. Ah! There you go, it's true. Caveman trying to start Xbox. Xbox! Yeah. Turn on Xbox! I said turn on! Ah!
How come you suck?
Frag out! Ah!
That was so far off.
He can't keep getting away with it!
Todd Howard is not my dad.
This is for you, Todd Howard. Take me out! Ah! They're not gonna
Close.
take one, have another!
Oh! Oh no, that's not a good sign.
Give us another look.
I see that.
Oh, would you look at that? You know, with a little bit of help, I think she'd boot up again.
If you see your child exhibiting symptoms such as this, please take him to see a doctor. This man is too far gone.
Now watch me whip.
Xbox MMA, just fucking yeet! Ah shit!
We crack it open and then it's like, oh, here we go, the beta version of Fortnite for 360's in here.
So, as an engineer, I know to be careful with my electronics and treat them with the proper respect. I respect women. Son, I said I took your...
Mason, no!
That's your problem. See, that is the Microsoft inhibitor chip. It stops you from playing hacked games, kids. Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Just leave it, it'll be fine. Oh, fuck. So, alright guys, so I went to some flea market and we found some PC. And it looked really spooky, but I thought it was a good deal. When I turned it on, some hyper-realistic blood started pouring out of the vents, and then it broke. We've just started to fix it, so let's go see what type of mysteries lie. The biggest boys in the gang.